Boom, boom, boom. Cash on 10x, 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 10x. Guys. 1000x.
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
500X and 1670 total winners. So please have bets and let's go for another round. Hope good, of course, and welcome all the new players for joining us. Yo, Matt, congratulations to the 500. Nice. So, how have you been, Wenchi? Daniel, you as well? How have you been during this past week? You lucky one, but I haven't seen you, you know. Ooh, 5x and cash hunt after a cash hunt. Okay, well, let's see. Last time we met business email died, player banned. Oh, I remember. Yo, cash hunt? What? Awesome, let's go. Yeah, I remember about business email. Yeah, interesting story. But ladies and gentlemen, we have not cash hunt. Holy moly! Wow, wow, 5x top slot. That's that's just amazing. Well, max multiplier is 500x, and we have a lot of them. A lot. Okay, well, if you didn't get 500x last cash hunt, you have another chance right here, and a bigger chances as well. Yo, this is crazy. I want to play RP. Yeah, I don't really play too many games right now, so. Alright, well, ladies and gentlemen, pick your target wisely, you know. Let the outpick choose for you. Alright.
This is the amount of money issued, 47,376 euros.
To all the winners, 125 players winning 500x and 1,751 total winners. Amazing job. Well, please set bets and let's go for another round. Hope be good.
649 players placed their bets on number one. Congratulations to those players. And now bets open, so place your bets or just choose out to play option. On the crazy time. Yes. That's what we have been waiting for the top slots. Let's go. Welcome everyone to the crazy time. Okay, we came here not empty-handed. We brought a little something from the top slots. That is so cool. So let's prepare the multis and put 4x multiplier on top of all of them. Yes, just like that. So now it's time to pick the flopper. We got three options. We got the green one, we got the blue one in the middle, and we got the sunny yellow one. Make your choice. And let's see what we will get. Good luck, everyone. So 400, the biggest one. Let's go. Woo!
This is the amount of money issued, 100 to 1,825 euros.
200 for the green, 80 for the blue, and 100 for the yellow. 1,483 round winners. Welcome back everyone. Congratulations to you, my dear players. And now, let's go to the next round. Dear Ren, you
1,279 players. Thank you so much. Betting time's up now once again. The only bonus game we haven't had yet is Crazy Time. There's only one Crazy Time on the wheel. Not the easiest one to catch. Hopefully we'll get to do that soon though. Wish you guys the best of luck. You're awesome. Thank you so much. You too. Good luck. 20X or number 2? Wait, I was just talking about crazy time, and we got crazy time. We got no time to wait, baby. Ooh, heavy doors these are. Let's go. Got. Which color flapper do you think is going to have the highest multiplier this time of crazy time? All right, we'll be aiming for a 200X. Let's go get it. Woo!
This is the amount of money issued 667,412 euros.
Blue, 25X on green, but a 200X on yellow. All right, 20X, 25X, but a 200X on the yellow flapper, guys. Congratulations to all 10,944 players.
Our RAM top 5 winners, enjoy them. Congratulations, betting time it is. Let's move on with a brand new spin. I wish you the best of luck. Let's go. Numbers, good luck to you. Turbo 2X coin flip from top slot, guys. Come on, Apache. Pachinko. Let's go, guys. Let's check it out, the multipliers, eh? Let's have a look what we got. And so the lowest multiplier is 5X, 7X, 10X, 15X, 25X, 40X, 50X, and 100X, 200X, guys. The max multiplier. Come on, come on, come on. Give us a 200. Good luck. All right. Give us the money. Give us the 200. No.
This is the amount of money issued 708,828 euros.
Power. 5,361 is just until 17,900 euro power. Enjoy betting time it is. Let's go. The Baba. I told you. The Baba.
One would be 25 to 1A. That's why in Crazy Time you gotta treat literally every segment as a winning segment. Yes. Just trying to figure out which one's the best to go for. And usually people just place a bet on frequent number outcome plus their favorite bonus game. That's the general approach. So yeah, whichever way, best of luck, have fun. All the place downstairs, and here we go. So, name is Yorick, welcome to Crazy Time 2 while we're at it, so probably gonna hit that cash on 5X on it. It's pretty significant, you know, especially with the 500X improved. Yeah, baby, let's do this. That should help. All right, cash on time. It's gonna be 5 times better than normal. Let's go. So instead of a 100X or something, it might be actually a big 500? We'll see, we'll see. So yeah, we'll be have here the 5X applying. It is applying. It's slow and steady, but get ready to aim on the wall. So top bonus for this cash on is gonna be 500X. Okay, yeah, I'll take those. There's a lot of cool boons there as well. 25X is quite a few of them. I think that's the lowest payout you can get, actually. That's pretty cool. Very nice. So yeah, no matter where you're hitting, as far as I'm aware, you're a winner. So what do we have here? Right, which symbol though? Yeah, that's an interesting question. I personally would choose burbs or cupcakes. I'm looking at those two. But to each their own, obviously, you can name downstairs. Downstairs is birds and cupcakes too, actually. But yeah, I'm looking at those two specifically, right? Where those double rabbits are. Well, what will we have?
This is the amount of money issued 533,835 euros.
5X, so congratulations. Nice, I love this game. I love this part sound. 682 people got that 500X 8015 winners overall. Congratulations. It's June's
We having 8,470 winners. Kessel, Bingo, David, Cody, and Jay are the top winners, guys. Congratulations. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go for the next spin. So, Bingo Plus, where are you planning to go to the vacation? What's your vacation destiny? Winnie, welcome. Thank you for joining as well. How are you doing today? Okay, guys, here's the next spin. Good luck. Crazy Time got 2x multiplied. Come on, Crazy Time, please, 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 please be Crazy Time, please. Stop. Yay! We having Crazy Time. There's the extra 2x multiplier. Woo! Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Crazy Time with extra 2x multiplier. All right, ladies and gentlemen, first we're gonna multiply all these segments in the wheel 2 times, so doubling up. Nice. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you have decision time. You have to pick one of the floppers. You can pick the yellow, blue, or the green. All right, it looks like the majority of the players go for blue flopper, but green is pretty close as well. Okay, the 200x multiplier is the max multiplier what you can win in this spin. As well, we have these doubles, and let's drop all this house with the doubles. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 655,838 euros.
Gentlemen, 50x multiplier, green and blue, but 200. What is the max win? The yellow. Well, ladies and gentlemen, lucky win for the yellow choice. 10,539 winners. Congratulations. Well, ladies and gentlemen, 200x multiplier. It was for the yellow.
It is 35-1. It should be. Jill, Rico, Benito, Simple Guy, Nice Swag Trees. Enjoy everybody who won $1,000. Bang, let's go. Yes, rap. Up. Hey. No, but. Hey, good luck. Come on. Mind readers here. Yo. Sparkles, yeah. Cash on 7x. Let's go. How we doing? Can we make it, guys? Oh, well, guys, love me. 7x cash hunt. Today we already had 10x cash hunt. Now 7x, because why not? Because why not? Come on. Look at that. Hijax goes highest, but now. Bam! 7x. Slapping that on top. 700 is the highest. I'm the best. I am the best. No doubts about that, huh? Actually, today, good rounds here at the cash hunt. Relatively, pick a symbol now. This is my second session of the Crazy Time today. Relatively a lot of cash hunts. And also, chop slap multi. So guys, already final seconds, okay? Since I'm yapping here. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 842,176 euros.
Where is it? Anyways, I can't find. Oh, down there. Congrats. On an AJ, the best lecture. Breeze. Things I'm not like for real. Play responsibly, guys. I care about you. First against back-to-back one. Now, guys, let's see how soon will be the first bonus game with me. So far, all the number segments we have got. Good luck. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Cash on 10x. Guys. What a start. First bonus game here with me. 10x cash on. No need to say that you love me. I already know that you love me now. Let's go. Hey, guys. Those emojis. Guys, 10x. Guys. 1000x is the highest. 1000x. 1000X 1000. Yes, guys. First bonus game here with me. What a start, huh? And also first crazy time session here with me today. Guys, pick one symbol. And actually, there should be many 1000Xs. I can't. Yes. 12 seconds, guys.
This is the amount of money issued 793,500 euros.
Okay, well, okay. Oh, so many, guys. Oh, you're feeling. 700!
But yeah, you place your bets, and usually people, how they approach credit time is placing a bet on frequently appearing number plus their favorite bonus game. That's the general premise. And you can always hope whichever bets you're placing on whichever bonus game you want, that it gets to be improved by the top slot right upstairs from 2 to 50 times. Maybe actually your number segment. 5 times cash hunt. Yes, please. Please. Yes. Thank you. Loving it. Feels good to collect slap that cash hunt. Let's go. 5 times cash hunt. So first things first. Everything's gonna settle down. Drizzle, drizzle, trickle, trickle, trickle. 5 times. Let's go. No? Where's the magic? Bro. It's a little on the slow end. Anyway, top bottom line. 2500. There's a 2500 there somewhere on the wall. Okay, it's gonna get shuffled up. No, you gotta find it. Which is the ultimate lucky target? What do you think? Cupcakes or birds? Maybe you're an apple and Target enthusiast. You know, Targets and apples or apples and Target? Hey, what do we have here? Clown hats. Definitely not a cactus. It can't be a cactus, right? Cactuses are always bad. I'm aiming there. There's 3 birds downstairs, basically. Well, one of those, maybe.
This is the amount of money issued 525,450 euros.
Where is it? Where is it? I don't know. Did someone get it? The 2,564 people found it, actually. Congratulations. We got 11.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.